Welcome back to She's So Tech. Today I'm unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, one of the most unique phones out there, so let's dive right on it. First of all, the box is sleek and simple, which is much expected of Samsung, and as soon as you open the box, the Z Fold is right there face down. Underneath the box, we've got our usual essentials, a USB-C cable, some documentation, and no charging brick. Samsung keeps things minimalist and eco-friendly. There's a layer of protection on every screen. It's actually heavier than I thought holding it with just one hand. I thought it would be more lightweight considering it's such a large phone. Luckily, both ends of the wire are USB-C, which is perfect because all my other devices are USB-C. Okay, so first impressions, the phone is stunning, and when it's folded, it has a 6.2-inch cover display. It feels really premium and heavyweight. It honestly just feels like a mini tablet. The hinge was a little bit tough to fold at first, but I think that's just because it was new. And when it's folded open, it's 7.6 inches wide, which is insane. Some of the biggest features about this phone is the fact that you can multitask. You can apparently run up to 3 apps simultaneously. That's something that I have yet to try, but I am looking forward to seeing how well it can actually handle doing 3 tasks. And the fact that it folds kind of like a book not only feels nostalgic, but it also feels very futuristic as well. I picked up this pink case from Amazon because this phone is way too expensive to not have any protection, although I don't know how much protection this case is actually providing. It slots on the back, and it also has a built-in screen protector for the front, so I just slotted that on. It comes with a nice little holder that I can slide my hands inside of if I want to read a book or if I just want to hold the phone open and comfortably, and also a kickstand, which is great for just propping the phone up and watching content like Netflix or something. Another really cool feature is that it has a triple camera setup. There's a camera on the front, there's a camera when you open it on the front, and then you also have your cameras at the back. Overall, this is just a super quick unboxing and my first impressions of the phone. And finally, I just wanted to do a quick size comparison of this phone next to a Kindle Basic 2024 in Matcha, and then also a size comparison of this phone next to an iPad Mini 6. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech unboxings, gadget reviews, and tech customization content. Thanks so much for watching She's So Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.